Let's see how electroplating company Gurul works from scratch. Let's go. These are the washers which are came for electroplating. You can see these washers are really very greasy and black in color. After electroplating they will become corrosion resistant and very bright. These are the before electroplating. I will show you how they look after electroplating. In the process of electroplating, the degreasing is the first most process we have to do, and it removes the grease from the components. After completion of degreasing, we have to go for re-rusting to remove the rust particles from the components. After re-rusting, we have to proceed for acid dipping. We are going to dip our components in the highly concentrated acid for the removal of any kind of greasy and re-rusting particles which are left over in the degreasing and re-rusting, and we have to keep in the acid for long time. Here you can see that they are in gold color. After removal from the acid, you can observe the color change within seconds. After acid dipping, we have to clean the component into the water. You can see that components are rested in water. This is water and this is acid. Now this is the barrel plating machine where we are going to keep our components. In the center of this barrel you can see there is an opening, and this is a fabricated gears which is used to rotate, and this is the voltage supplier where we can increase our supply of voltage. And you can see in the barrel there is an electrolyte which is used to transport the electrons from cathode to anode, and here is the main power supply. You can see that this is a electroplating barrel machine, exactly what it is called. Now I am going to show you the gears transition system. The input is given by the motor. Here you can see the compound gearing. With some gear ratio we can maintain the speed of the barrel. Inside the barrel there is an cathode, and here at the end you can electroplating vat machine is like a modern type. You can see it is really looking very fresh, right? And this is a barrel where we can keep the components in. This is a motor which will give the input to the barrel, and if this is a wheel, by rotating anti-clockwise the upward movement of the barrel to keep our components will be appear, and this is the opening of the barrel. In the cat barrel, you want to see what is in the barrel. This is the two-ended cathode barrel where we can see two cathodes in single barrel, and this is the motor for the transition, right? And here you can see is lever where we can put the anode. This is that where we can keep the anode, and here the cathode is attached with workpiece components where we will keep there. And you can see another stand for keeping the anode. This is a capacity of 50 kgs. Now I am going to show you after 1 hour of electroplating the components how they look. You can see in the barrel we are removing the components with our bare hands. You can see the finishing of the component which is so bright and corrosion free. This is called zinc plating. This kind of plating is called zinc plating. Anode which we use is zinc. After that we are going to take the components, dip in the water for some time to removal of the electrolyte. The process we have dipped in the water is called water resin. After water resin we have to do patchation. This is the process of patchation. We have to take some components from water into one kind of bucket which is like has a hollow totally. and after that we have to wash it and remove the water, and we have to take it in the colorant which will give the color to the components. This is kind of process we have to do. He is my brother, very hardworking. See the change of color which was occurred. It's really very simple. We have to do it for 10 to 20 seconds only. More than that, it will leave the marks which were really very unnice to look. After that, we have to dip into the water again to remove of the extra colorant. One more time water. That's it. This is the process of pastuation. You can see the color, the change, which were bright, now they are in goldish. Now we are going to keep that into the centrifugal dryer. I will show you the process how this centrifugal dryer works. It is worked on the belt drive. This is the outlet of the water. It's look pretty good, right? After pastuation, you have seen water resin and dry section. The machine, the centrifugal dryer, is in the dry section only. Very noisy device. You can see the centrifugal action. Water will come from the side of the wall of the tunnel. Finally, this is how product look like. Rusty to shiny. Really very nice, right? Hope you guys like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Content Creator. Thank you.